Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to reverse video clips in Davinci Resolve. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To reverse video in Resolve, make sure you are in the Edit tab and that you have the video added to the timeline. All you need to do now is right click on the video clip and then choose Change Clip Speed. Look for the checkbox called Reverse Speed and check this. You can adjust the speed as well to speed it up or slow it down on the left, and once you're happy, click on Change in the bottom right of this window and you can watch your video, which should now be reversed. And so that is how to reverse video clips in Davinci Resolve. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.